Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I will be starting a garden. Right here I have peppers, jalapeno, tomatoes right there, more tomatoes, watermelon, and more tomatoes. And I have 2 flowers right there. And then I have some more flowers in the front where I'm gonna plant them right there. Right here, I have 1 tomato growing right there. This is my watermelon. It's getting really long. Yep, that's my watermelon. And this is a tomato. I don't have any, oh yeah, I got 1 tomato on here that's growing. Then on this tomato, I have none. They was flowering, but I pruned them. So yeah. Then over here, I had 1 tomato right there that's growing. And then these are my peppers. They growing pretty slow. They finally got a flower over there, finally. I don't know, should I pick that? I'm gonna look it up and see when should I pick the flowers out for my jalapeno. Finally, I've been had these peppers for about 2 weeks. And they finally getting flowers. And I'm gonna show you the stuff that I have in the front to grow. But yeah, this is part of my new garden that I am starting. Then this right here, these are the flowers that I'm gonna put in the ground. And this is a bell pepper. I'm gonna put that in the ground. But yeah, those will be in the ground tomorrow. Then over here, this is where I will be planting the flowers. And I have some cactuses that I'm gonna plant. I'm gonna water it again good this evening. And I'm gonna plant the flowers and everything in the morning. And I have some cactuses. Hopefully they good. They not dead or anything. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy my content that I'm about to bring to this channel. It's just gonna be basically planting, taking care of my flowers and everything. But yeah, if you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And once I get these planted, I will let you see it. Bye.